Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Said Ibrahim. So, in this video, I will present my analysis for the midterm test of extensive readings. Before that, I want to say the honorable for the Sir Gatot Subroto, as MPD, as a lecturer of extensive reading. Okay, the article that I choose is a title is Too Close to Trump's How Indonesian President Prabowo Gambler's Sovereignty Humanity for US Approvals. And in these presentations, I will focus on four main aspects. Okay, the first is the text organizations, cohesions, cohesion device, contextual meanings, and also facts versus opinions. So, without wasting time, so let's do the slide of presentation. The slide presentation. Alright, welcome to my presentations PowerPoints. Okay, let's start the next. Okay, this slide 2 will explain about the text. Okay, this article is taken from the conversations published on March 3, 2026. Dan juga saya akan memberikan alasan mengapa saya memilih artikel ini. Ada 3. Nah, in the first, the source is credible because it's written by an academic. And the second, the topic is still relevant and not quite sensitive, yaitu karena ada hubungannya antara Presiden Prabowo dan juga Presiden Trump. Nah, in the third, the text contains many linguistics features recurrent in this midterm test. Right. Okay, next we'll explain the paragraph organizations. Nah, based on my analysis, the dominant pattern in this text is a cause and effects. Now, for example, I defined in the paragraph once. Okay, let's read it. Okay. The Indonesian public has grown increasingly uneasy with President Prabowo Subianto's foreign policy pivot toward the United States from the Indonesian decisions to join two powers of peace or POP, inflated by Donald Trump to the signing of the agreements on reciprocal trade on February 1926. This is I found the cause and effects. The cause is the policy shifts toward the US, and the effects is a public concerns in Indonesians. Nah, namun di paragraf kedua, I will with this next slide. In the second paragraph, I find karena polanya itu berubah menjadi paragraph sequence, yaitu this can be seen from the present, the from or to. Nah, the which shows chronological orders of policies. So we can conclude that the text combines the cause, effects, and sequence, which makes the structure more dynamic and easier to follow. Alright, next to the slide 4, that's we'll explain the cohesion device. Okay, there are 3 main types of cohesions device in this text. Alright, first the pronouns. For example, this is the short sentence. Prabowo wants to frame his deployments as rooted in real resilience. Prabowo is a subject and his itu adalah reverse to Prabowo. His pronouns is his. Okay, in this second, this conjunction. For example, rather. Nah, rather di sini adalah konjungsinya atau kata hubungnya. Nah, okay, and the third lexical cohesionnya, we can see the repeat words like transactional, transactionalism, transactional logic, and transactional diplomacy. Pengulangan inilah yang digunakan untuk menekankan bahwa kritik dari si penulis kepada kebijakan Bapak Presiden Prabowo dalam artikelnya. So the next let's explain the contextual meaning. Now in this part, the meanings depends heavily on the text. For example, titling toward Washington. Nah, menurut secara literal, till itu berarti adalah miring. But in this context, it means Indonesia is politically leaning toward the US. Now, another example is a zero-sum worldview, which means if one country gains, another must lose. Dan juga strongman of mirrors, which implies a similarity in a leadership style between a Prabowo and a Trump. And so the key points here is without understanding context, we make the misunderstand the real meaning of the text. Okay, next is the fact and opinion. Fact and versus opinion. Nah, in this article, we can identify both fact and opinions. For fact, yeah, the signing of the agreements on reciprocal trade on February 19, 2026, and Prabowo passed travel ban the U.S. And these are verifiable and based on the real events. Okay, the first four opinions looks less like StarCraft and more like image management. The presence looks like indicates interpretations and not certainly. Okay, another samples. Indonesia is a really strength. This is a subjective and it reflects the writer perspective. Nah, itu dalam menurut dari penulis. Nah, untuk di tips sederhananya, if you see words like, looks like, appears, suggest, itu bisa kita katakan sebagai opini. Evaluating articles, yeah, in my opinions, yeah, this article has a both strengths and weakness. Yeah, nah, the strengths-nya are its use concerts evidence such as policies and that's and specific terms, and the structures is a clear problems, cause, example, and conclusion. Namun juga ada kelemahan yang saya temukan di sini. Dan the first, the article doesn't include the Indonesian government's perspective. Jadi itu hanyalah sebuah perspektif dari pihak penulis saja tanpa ada perspektif dari internal Indonesia. Nah, padahal bisa saja itu termasuk pada kebijakan yang menjadi alasan ekonomi. Okay, in the second, the article is a quite one-sided because it only supports one argument without presenting counter arguments. Alright, I think that's all my presentation today. I thank you for Sir Gatot Subroto. I'm Muhammad Zaid Abdurrahim. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.